Well, what do we have here? I went ahead and ordered a new lip for this thing because I cannot stand the C6 without a front lip. I think that's like my only gripe with this car. When it doesn't have a front lip, it looks goofy to me. I don't know, it just doesn't look aggressive enough in the front. So I went ahead and bought a new one. As you guys know, that one video I had, the new front lip broke in a couple hours. So with everything else being real carbon fiber, you know, got the true carbon fiber mirrors, got the carbon fiber spoiler. There's a lot of other carbon stuff on here. Carbon grain sport fenders, carbon emblems, and I just was like, you know what? Let's do a carbon front lip, but I'm not going with the real carbon because it's probably gonna break again. So I ended up ordering this off of eBay. It's a little like carbon look front lip. Just went ahead and put it together. It's like a 3-piece lip. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to install it here in the garage because as you guys see how low the car is already in here. I also need to do this AMSOIL oil change, this Dominator oil. This is specifically for like built motors. I had to pick this up from some distributor guy and specifically get this oil for this car. Just this oil alone with the filter and everything, I think it was like $200 and something. So once you get into these like built motors and stuff, man, you really want to take care of them. It gets really expensive. So definitely got to get that done. But let me see if I can fool around with this thing. I still have that little PPF roll that I kind of want to lay on the front bumper too to see if it'll lay and cover anything worth a damn. Honestly, I could probably get some 2-way sticky tape, stick it up there, and then put the screws in it. But I'm gonna try to see if this screwdriver is small enough to kind of twist some screws in the bumper and then see if we can get this thing on. If not, you guys will probably see me taking this car to the shop to get the front raised up and then install the lip. Nah, it's too short. I mean, it's too tall. Fuck. All right, we got it on there. So far, I gotta tighten everything down, but it's starting to come together. It looks good. Was able to do it with the little tools we had, and thanks to you with your little drill, you know. I gotta let you try out the scooter though. We gotta try that out. Yeah, we gotta try this out. Reaction on level 1. Just try level 1. All right. Now he's on level 2. Oh, That's nothing. Now go up one more to D3. Now you're in D3, but there's S mode and there's S plus. You're in just D3. Now I will say this, dude, be careful because it'll blow the tire off. You can smash it.
I can tell that with too.
Yeah, you do it. You'll blow the tire off. Try it out.
Oh nah.
Hit the tire real quick. All right, getting the C6 together. Thanks to my neighbor, homie came out and helped me out with a little drill that he had. And we were able to kind of get this thing together. Got it on there, even in the garage. I had to take my shoes off and lay down and get a little dirty. Knuckles can start a fire right now.
My mama always told me my ankles were so rusty, they could start a fire. Sugar mama was right! I made a fire!
But it's all right. Got the lip on there. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the screws, probably add some extra ones in there. But back in action, baby. Got the lip on there now. We don't look too goofy. Hopefully it lasts, because I don't even know how long this thing's gonna last. I could pull out of here and break it as soon as I leave the damn garage, but we'll see. Much better. Definitely needed that. Now I'm gonna take it around the block. We're gonna see if it lasts around the block. Hopefully it does and doesn't break off.
Did a crazy pull, didn't even record it. God damn. Yeah, no,
that's baby in it, man.
Yeah, I can tell you.
Yeah, I'm easing because I don't want to spin out. That just ate up a quarter tank right there. it's got to be the wheel alignment. The wheel alignment has to be bad. Something that's real common with the C6s is they have this weird movement that they do in the rear when just anything is off. If your tire, if it doesn't like the tire you have on it, the toe, the camber, anything can be off. It'll start doing this weird movement thing. So I ended up finding a new RAAA tire. I'm going to end up exchanging that. Eventually this other tire will need to be replaced. But the way it's wearing down, it's definitely got to be in alignment. So we're going to head to a shop that's pretty local over here that is known for like the low car friendly alignment. I think they do all the drift cars and stuff over here. So we're going to head over there, try to get this thing aligned, get that tire changed. And hopefully that clears it up and we can kind of take this car out and get it out some more. It's winter time, so I'm not going to be driving it a lot. I already don't drive it as much as it is, but definitely got to get it out and let it warm up, put some heat in the engine, get this fuel running through the system. Yeah, I don't even take it nowhere. Damn. Yeah, we're bad. Because the last set I had on here did the same thing. So right now I'm about to go get alignment because that's bad. This tire is $600 a piece, man. 600 each tire. Fucking stupid. All right, so we got this thing. Some new rubber back here. Ugh. Sucks we got a new tire on this side, but now the other side needs a new tire. So. All right. Man, I hope I didn't break my lip. Trying to get the alignment done, man. Hopefully that helps the rear end. Ugh, this thing definitely needs it. All right, get a new tire on that side too already. Well, them bends is always losing the air, no suspension, boy. Them things is like a trademark for being slammed like that. It's just crazy. Got some pretty cool cars here though. Got the Porsche, got that SC, another Lexus. Got a Bentley over there. Was it pretty bad? Yeah. Yeah, I know the back was bad. Yeah. Let me check it out. Let me see. Yeah.
This is a B4.
Wow.
See, all red.
Yeah, because when I drive, the back would be doing this.
Yeah, fish tail because it's too bad.
It's bad, yeah. So
You
now it's
see
good.
How much? Yeah. See here the after.
Yeah.
You see after all rim.
Yeah.
You see they go back to the factory alignment, factory setting.
Oh, okay. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I got another vehicle too. I'll bring it to you next time. Thank you. Yeah, we definitely needed that. All right, we're leaving TMP. Shout out to these guys. Got me right. Got me in alignment. Car actually stands a little bit better now that it has an alignment too. So got to test it out on the highway, see how it does. There's actually a DDE meet today, Daily Driven Exotics, if y'all guys know them. Thinking about taking it out there, so we'll see. Made it to the muffler shop. Gonna get our oil change. Got that Pro Charger in there looking good. Just that oil change right there alone, that's like a $300 oil change right there. That Dominator oil, you have to get it specifically from a dealer specified person. Get it in this car. I got to check for a small exhaust leak that I think that I'm hearing. Maybe I'm tripping. But other than that, she's running fine, man. She's running really, really nice. All right, we got the oil change done on the C6. This thing is ridiculous. I love this damn car. It's probably one of my favorite cars that I've owned. Just look how good it looks. Got those carbon headlights in there. We use 11 quarts of this Dominator Racing oil. So if you do have a built C6, any power adder, I'd highly recommend that. All right, we got the C6 done. Thanks to my guy Charlie. You know, he's the master mechanic right here. Make sure y'all come and check out Epler's Muffler Shop. We've been here since the start of the YouTube channel, since all of my cars have always come here. They always treat me right. We got the C6 done, got our Dominator Racing oil in it. This thing's sick, man. Love this car. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all coming by, swinging by the channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded. I think it's been a couple months. I was getting into the new place, got a new camera set up. Got my beautiful lady behind. She's actually gonna help me start filming some videos. I got a new toy that should be coming in this week. I'm trying to get into some new hobbies, mountain biking and stuff like that. So I want to take you guys with me. We're gonna be recording some little bit of venturing with the bikes. I know some of y'all are here for the content. Some of y'all are here for other stuff. The car content, I just haven't been doing a lot of it because I just don't drive it that much. I usually put the car up. Once you get into these big high-end power cars, they become expensive. And with me moving to a new place, kind of start to change what you do and your priorities change a little bit. I still love this car. I still probably be a little bit of content with it, but I do plan on having a business idea that I want to do. So I might be letting go of the Corvette. So stay tuned for that. Just pay attention to the channel. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for the next video.